Okay, little chickens. Okay, high school agri-science students. This is week 5. So these are broiler chickens at week 5. We went to the contest today, and now we're taking a video of the ones that are left here at home. These are the guys. So these are the chickens. So these are our chickens. So these are our chickens. We're gonna check them out. We're going to fill up their feeders, fill up their waters, add some more sawdust. The temperature is currently at 72. We're gonna knock that down because they're switching to the last category of going from week 5 to week 6. So we're gonna wean them off of that heat lamp if we can keep it at 65. So take a cool little video. There's their waters, their heat lamp. They're all hanging out in this corner. Okay, this is men. 3 minutes with baby chickens who are 5 weeks old now. So zoology kids, I hope you had fun watching the chickens grow. I'm going to take one last video at 6 weeks. And then that will be it for videos of chickens. So bye guys.